2before Nation, what's up? It's behind the scenes this week here at 731. I've got some pretty cool stuff to show you, so let's jump into it. First and foremost, I got this Hercules table saw on deal for like $249. It is no longer on sale, so it is back at regular price at $349. But even at $349, and because Harbor Freight always does deals or coupons, I'm going to do a review on this and see exactly how it stacks up to specifically something like the DeWalt. Now, that's an 8 1/4 saw. This is a 10-inch saw, but they both have the rack and pinion fence. They both look very, very similar, and so I would like to try this out and see how it performs. Also, Makita sent me their new MAKTRACK stuff. I got to do a video on those on Instagram, not on YouTube. It'll probably wind up, the short will probably wind up on YouTube, but anyway, this is their new MAKTRACK systems. There's actually 3 boxes full of those. I haven't unboxed those yet. I also did some ordering on Amazon. I saw this on there and I found it pretty interesting. It's a small part sled from Rockler right there on Amazon. So I don't remember the price of that one exactly because I ordered multiples of those. That's another table saw jig, to be determined. That's another table saw jig. And then of course, I picked up I picked up a MAKTRACK because I still haven't done the MAKTRACK saw review. And so I'm kind of figuring out a way to how to make it a little more interesting. So still working on that. So as you can see, quite a bit of stuff in here. Also got the new Ryobi lawnmower in. Haven't unboxed that yet. That's a 40-volt lawnmower, 21-inch self-propelled, all that good stuff. So that video, actually review video, will be on the Outlaw Effect. If you don't know, I have a second channel called the Outlaw Effect. You can just search the Outlaw Effect and you'll find it. And basically what I'm doing with that channel is stuff that doesn't fit on 731, like the lawnmower review. And I'm also taking, when I do a 5 tools video, so if I do like 5 Ryobi tools, 5 exciting new Ryobi tools, or whatever the title is, it's hard to search the new Ryobi barrel grip jigsaw, or, you know, I don't know, the new Harbor Freight, whatever. So I'm basically taking those 5 tools videos or multi-tool videos and breaking them into individual videos and putting them on the Outlaw Effect and titling them so that they can be found in search. Because behind the scenes, 731 is not a search traffic channel. In other words, I'm not seeking to get people to find my channel via search, because that's a slow way to grow a channel. The way you get a channel to grow rapidly is to get into suggested and browse, or the home screen. So when you log into YouTube, my videos show up on the home screen. That's the idea. That's one of the reasons why I title things the way I do, thumbnails, that kind of thing, just behind the scenes stuff. What else we got going on? That's about it this week. I just wanted to drop in and let you know. Oh, one thing I wanted to ask, what type of behind the scenes or extra content would you like to see for the 2before Nation? Like, what can I do to make the 2before Nation membership better for you? It's kind of the idea of the 2before Nation anyway. You guys are supporting us directly. I'd like to be able to give you something extra. Maybe it's a at the desk video where I just talk to the camera about whatever's going on, or maybe I just set the camera up and film while I'm unboxing stuff that doesn't necessarily make a YouTube video per se. I don't know. You let me know what you would like to see, and I'll see if I can take care of that. All right, I gotta make a thumbnail on a lathe, because one more thing. So Chris and I filmed a lathe video a couple of weeks ago. That video is coming out tomorrow. He's still working on the edit, so I'm not sure when the preview will be released. It may be later than usual. In other words, later this evening, before I'm able to get that out, or depending on how the edit goes, it may be even later than that. It's a very different style video than what we usually do, because Chris is joining me in this shop to do that video, to talk about 5 things he wishes he knew before he bought a lathe. I'm not the lathe expert, but he is in relation to me, so I brought him in to help me with that video, because I got a bunch of questions about the lathe. So that video, the preview video that you guys get early, will be later than normal. All right, catch you guys later.